What's going on YouTube? This is Tyler's Cards, and today's going to be my first video. I mainly made this channel, first of all, to use it for mail day videos, and also breaks, so that, you know, if something's damaged comes in the mail, you have video proof of you opening it that weighs in your favor a lot more than it would be, hey, my card came damaged, I want a refund, whatever. We've all been through that. I know how eBay sellers are, and also around like Facebook and Instagram, it's all the same. You just gotta cover yourself, if you know what I mean. And then also on box breaks, if you're missing a hit, hey, video proof is better for Panini. So I know they're picky, and I know the card roll can be horrible at times, but then also great at times. And hopefully today, my first break, we can get some good hits. But to start with, I'm going to start with my mail day from this week. These three I got this week, and pretty decent stuff. First off, I know who it is. You ain't gotta say it, you know? You ain't gotta say it. I know who it is, but you never know. The 2017 National Treasures RPA of Mr. Nathan Goderman. Number 21 to 25, 4-color patch. I mean, you can never go wrong with NT. It's gonna be the biggest card in the year's sets of anything. Even for flawless, for these normally go higher than flawless. So I don't really care for flawless. You guys won't see it too much on my channel, but I might pick one up every so often. I kind of do, but I don't have any currently in my collection. Next up is going to be a Mitch Trubisky Black. I know I need to work on my, need to get some height. I need to get like a box or something to set my phone on. So it's a Mitch Trubisky. There's your subs, 95959 on centering, and then 951 edges. Not a true gem, but nonetheless, it's a rated rookie. That one is 13 of 25. This is my second one of these. I will do a video basically showing everything I have. If you know me from Instagram, I post all of my high-end stuff on there, so you'll know what I'm talking about. And then next is another rated rookie of Deshaun Watson. That's going to be a blue. And there's your subs. Again, not a true gem, but there's a 10 sub, so can't really complain about that. 10 on the autograph. And the blues are at a 75, 27, 75, 27 being my favorite number. So that worked out well. So that is my mail day for this week. That's all I got this week. So now on to the break. I know some of you guys will recognize these two, and this is a brand new product. So I'm gonna cover up the price tag because, there's a Spectra pack, and I do know that this is gonna be an RPA because I can feel a patch right here and also an auto. So it's gonna be an RPA of some sort, so we're definitely gonna hold that for the end. So I'm gonna put that over there. And next, of course, we got our Optic boxes. 2017 Optic Hobby. 2 of them. We're gonna do them both today. Gonna run through them. Optic is one of my favorite sets, if you can't tell, with the 2 rated rookie autos I picked up. So without further ado, let's get her started. Yeah, after starting, I kind of noticed that I need a little bit more space for my camera, so you guys will definitely see some improvements on the camera work. Just kind of as I go, learning what I'm doing. There's your packs. There's your empty box. I feel like I'm a breaker. Look at this. Let's save that cardboard. That's a good shipping cardboard there. I'm gonna adjust the camera real quick, see if I can get a little bit more height. Close those scissors so I don't cut myself. And let's see what we got. We got a thick one. I know most of these are gonna be fillers, so I'm gonna do the thick ones first. Then this looks like a thick one as well. So flip these over and see how they're. I like to put my packs in a row so that I can just rip. So I'm gonna turn these around. I know this is taking a minute. Turn these around so we can get to ripping. All right, 2017 Optic. Let's see what you got. Yep, filler. Okay, Jamie Collins, DeMarco Murray, Marshawn Lynch, filler. You heard that throw, didn't you? Yeah. Bucky Hodges, rookie. And then Kid Reporter. These expired yet? I do not know. Oh yeah, we can throw those too. Okay, they're expired. Second pack. Damn, if we can get into it. Yep, that one is thick, so we'll see if this one is a filler as well. And it is, okay. Tyreek Hill, A-Rod, had an amazing game last week against the Bears. Even though I'm a Trubisky fan, that was an amazing game. Joey Bosa, filler. Reuben Foster, rookie. If there's a certain product that you guys want to see, I'm kind of open to breaking anything. I kind of stay in this range, kind of in the $100 box range. The most I really spend is when I do contenders, and those can get up to near $200 a box. All right, Pierre Garcon, Jared Goff, Garyon Conley, blue. And that one is 80 of 149. David Njoku, can't catch a pass to save his life. Rated rookie. And then trash. I'm gonna make a, like I said before, I'm gonna make a intro video basically showing my cards and just what I'm about. Jordan Reed, Sammy Watkins, Travis Kelce, Elijah McGuire, rookie. So that'll be coming pretty soon. So watch out for that. Ezekiel Elliott, Mike Wallace, Jonathan Allen, Holo. I don't think those are numbered. Nope, just a prism. Then a Leonard Fournette, rated rookie. Can't go wrong with that. These packs definitely don't want to open. So this is going to be a longer break. It's not normally the style that I do this in. Tom Brady, Phillip Rivers, Darius Stewart, the rookies, holo. Those, nope, those aren't numbered. And Stacy Coley. So like I was saying, this isn't normally the style that I do them in. I kind of honestly lost interest in opening boxes and even doing cards at one point. So I'm hoping this will kind of, I guess, fuel my addiction to doing it slower. Golden Tate, Robbie Anderson, Brandon Marshall Red, those are out of 99. 34 of 99. Dalvin Cook, hopefully he has a good year. So yeah, what I would do before is I would open every single pack and just basically look for the hit, set it aside, but this is more time consuming and kind of makes me, I guess, appreciate the cards more. Blake Bortles, Matthew Stafford, Patrick Mahomes holo. I will definitely take that. Not numbered, but go ahead and set that one off to the side. That'll have to get sleeved up. Deshaun Kaiser rookie. Definitely one of the best holos you can get. And those are actually hard to come by. All right. Latavius Murray, Marvin Jones, Russell Wilson Gridiron Kings. That's just a Prism Holo. And Marshawn Lattimore. Oops, I put that in the rookie pile. All right, still looking for an auto. Could be one auto per box. With some hot boxes lurking around sometimes. Josh McCown, Terrell Pryor, Carlos Hyde Holo, and Zay Jones. Zay Jones needs to start doing something for the Bills. He hasn't really done too much. Odell Beckham, Calais Matthews. Oh, nice. A rookie. The rookie's Deshaun Watson red, and that is going to be numbered at a 99. 56 and 99. So we're off to an awesome start. We got a Mahomes Holo, a Watson red out of 99, and a Malik McDowell rookie. So hopefully the on-card auto can follow suit here. We got another numbered card in here. Michael Thomas, Mike Evans, Marlon Humphrey. I guess that's orange, I think. That one is 31 of 199. And a D.D. Westbrook. And some trash. We're dwindling down on the packs a little bit. Still looking for the auto. And there it is. It's a redemption. I know who's a redemption in this set. And it's this guy right here. So we're gonna set this off to the side. We're gonna put that up there. Because that has the potential to be a huge card. All right, Jarvis Landry, Derek Carr, Jabril Peppers, Holo rookie. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. And Davis Webb. Jabril Peppers is definitely a bright spot on Cleveland. I don't know, Cleveland's turned it around this year, so we'll see what they can do. I mean, they tied with the Steelers, which is impressive in itself. But, you know, they still haven't won a game. We got a blue coming up. J.J. Watt. Kelvin Benjamin. Derek Carr blue. We're getting some good names on the color. Can't complain about that. 105 of 149 blue. T.J. Watt rookie. See, I'm starting to shake because I know that it has the potential to be a big card. But I also know there's other redemptions, so I have to learn to not get my hopes up all the time, you know. Julio Jones had a big week last week. It's because he was the only one targeted. Brendan Cooks, Tavon Austin, Holo, and a Curtis Samuel. I know we have high hopes for Curtis Samuel this year. We'll see. All right. Larry Fitz, Jameis Winston, Illusions, Davis Webb, Eli Manning. It's a Holo insert. Those aren't numbered. And a Trey White. All right, Jordan Matthews, Rob Gronkowski, Kareem Hunt Holo. I guess we're getting all the Chiefs Holos. That's amazing. And a Trubisky rookie. This is a good box. Hopefully we can end with a good auto. Couple more packs left, and then we'll see who we got. Von Miller, Russell Wilson, Dez Bryant Holo, Sheldon Gibson rookie. Last pack. Started getting nervous. Melvin Gordon, Jordy Nelson, AJ Green, Holo insert, and a Taco. All right. So I'm going to flip this around, not look at it, put it on the bottom, and let's go. Mike Glennon, Marcus Mariota, Robert Davis, and slow roll here. Football. 2017 Donruss Optic. Rated Rookies Autographs Holo. Card 182. Kareem Hunt. Alright, well, it wasn't a Watson, but that is definitely not a bad one to get. Kareem Hunt, Holo Auto, so those will be out of 99. Hopefully, I don't know if those are live at Panini yet, but that is definitely a good hit. I wish it was here. I wish it was in person, but I don't know. Can't complain about that. That's for sure. All right, so get this base out of the side, off to the side. Put the rookies up there, as well as all my numbered stuff. Put it up top. The hits over there, and second box. Hopefully we can have as much luck as we did in the first one. I know this is a bit of a longer video. Like I said before, not all of them will be this long, so hopefully I'm not boring you guys too much with my break here. All right, there's your empty box. Okay, so where's our thick ones? We got a super thick one on the bottom. And then we got one right there. Let's turn it over. A little flip. And let's see what we got. Ooh, looks like we got a filler. I'll put these scissors out of the way so I don't cut myself on camera. Clay Matthews, Josh McCown, Joey Bosa, Phillip, Chris Wormley rookie. And this one seemed a little bit thicker, so we'll see. Maybe that's Kid Reporter, and it was Terrell Suggs, Matt Ryan, Dak Prescott, and the filler, Jonnu Smith, rookie. So I put these the wrong way. So out of Optic, you honestly don't want the hot boxes because it's just a bunch of later round, as I call them, filler autos, and it's usually not a good break for you. I will say that. So Kirk Cousins, Allen Robinson, Larry Fitz red. That looks pretty good on the Cardinals red. 69 of 99. Cooper Kupp, rookie. So yeah, if you do get a hot box, sorry, but that box will not be very hot. Sorry to say. Jeremy Hill, Emmanuel Sanders, Tyreek Hill Gridiron Kings, Holo insert, those are numbered, and a Kevin King rookie. All right, Doug Baldwin, Andy Dalton, Ryan Tannehill Holo, Nathan Peterman rookie. And a blue coming up, Le'Veon Bell, David Johnson, TJ Watt, JJ Watt Illusions blue, 34 of 149. And a Tariq Cohen, dude's a beast. Got him on my fantasy team in pretty much every league. All right. Got a purple coming up. I believe those are at a 50. Tajay Sharp, Cam Newton, Charles Harris. At least I've heard of him. And that is at a 50. 29 of 50. Purple. Noah Brown, rookie. Frank Gore. Travis Kelce. Cam Newton, red. Should be a 99. 70 of 99. Chad Williams, rookie. So if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Always thanks for watching. And we've got a numbered rated rookie coming up. It's going to be an orange. Antonio Brown, Brandon Marshall, Patrick Mahomes, orange rated rookie. That's a nice card right there. If we can focus, that'd be sick. 88 of 199. And I forgot to bring sleeves over here. I just realized that. So that's a nice card. And then a Leonard Fournette. Another nice one. Trash. Mr. Chad Kelly, the preseason beast. Eli Manning, Mike Wallace, Gronk, Holo insert, and the preseason beast. Flipped a few Chad Kelly autos in the preseason, so I thank him for that. Matt Forte, Zeke, Brian Hill, Holo rated rookie, and a Mike Williams. Still looking for that auto. It was pretty low in both the boxes, so we'll see. Oh, that's it right there. It's flipped over, so I'm gonna put that off to the side and put it on top of Spectra back here. Set it there, and we'll finish out the box. There shouldn't be anything left other than probably some rated rookies that we might be looking for, or some number stuff. You never know. Could be a 1-on-1. Khalil Mack, Terrell Pryor, Sam Bradford, is that? Yeah, it's a holo. And David Njoku. Tom Brady, Julio Jones, Brandon Cooks, Adoree Jackson. That was all base pack. I think that was the first one in both boxes. Aaron Rodgers, Phillip Rivers, Tom Brady holo. Can't complain about that. Should be a couple bucks. Curtis Samuel. So we're getting some good color and good autos, actually. Hopefully this box's auto stays the same. Latavius Murray, Tyreek Hill, Juju Smith-Schuster, the rookies holo insert. Those aren't numbered. And a Hassan Reddick rookie. Some of these packs just rip right open, and some of them I gotta dig into. Hopefully this one's holding something good. It's holding a numbered card, I'll tell you that. We got a Lamar Miller, Dez Bryant, Brad Kaya, blue. 5 of 149. What's his jersey number? 8. Damn. Blue. Dalvin Cook. Blakey B. Matthew Stafford. Jeremy Sprinkle, holo. Deshaun Kaiser, rookie. 2 more packs. Sammy Watkins. Odell Beckham. Tom Brady, Gridiron Kings holo. Another Tom Brady holo. Those are numbered. Adam Shaheen, rookie. Last pack here. We got a numbered card. It's a Aqua. Richard Sherman. Alan Hearns. Sammy Watkins. Wrong way. 169 of 299. And a Zay Jones. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put it on the bottom. Nobody saw it, right? What color we got? We got a blue. We have a blue auto. Jordan Reed. Marvin Jones. Matthew Days. Looks like Marlon Mack. Oh, there's trash there. Marlon Mack, blue. Hopefully he can do something this year. That was 34 of 49. That's actually normal blues out of 75. So I guess this stuff is short printed. 34 of 49, Marlon Mack. So two actually decent running back autos. Got a Kareem Hunt and a Marlon Mack. I haven't heard too much out of Marlon this year. I'll definitely look him up after and see what he's up to. So, if you stuck around this long, we got some Spectra to break. And it's going to be a rookie patch auto. So, I'm going to open it on the side because I know it's on the back. Let's see what we got. I guess I have to dig into this one too. Quit doing this to me. Make me look like an amateur. I swear, dude. There we go. Okay. Not gonna look. Not gonna look. Not gonna look. Not gonna look. We're gonna flip. Who's that? Danny Amendola. Looks like kind of a scope design from Prism. Same type thing. It's green. This was number 230. 17 to 30. So short printed stuff. Danny Amendola. Amari Cooper. Sunday Spectacle. Kind of feels like a patch. Definitely not a jersey piece. And those are 199. 145 of 199. Sunday Spectacle. And then Sony Michel, Next Era. That is 184 of 199. Then we have a super short print. 9 of 15, DJ Chark. This dude's a beast. I wish they would use him a little bit more. Oh, that's so nice. Pink ink, all on sticker. DJ Chark, sick patch. 3-color multi-break patch. Ah, those are so nice. These are so nice in person. The camera really doesn't do it very much justice, but that is so nice. 9 of 15. Well, I picked a good one at least. Hope this dude does something this year. So, that's going to do it. I appreciate you guys sticking to the end of the video here. Pretty good break for my first break, actually. Can't complain one bit. Got a sick Chark. Got a nice Marlon Mack auto. And then a nice Kareem Hunt out of 99. Hopefully I'm able to redeem that. And a few good rated rookies and number stuff as well. So, keep your eye out for new videos. I'll be posting here and there. I'll try to, I guess, brainstorm, do some different stuff for my channel. Something that'll keep you guys coming back. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a video of me showing off basically what I got and everything I own pretty much, and what I have to deal with and what I have to offer. So again, I do appreciate you guys watching, sticking all the way through the video. If you did, drop a like, and in the comment section, leave a, let's see, what can you put? In the comment section, just comment DJ. Then I'll know that you stick to the end of the video. So, I do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you all in the next video.